You, me, and everyone in this world want to finish their work and then relax. But most of the time we just relax, not thinking about our work, and that is procrastination. In definition term, it is the postponing or delaying of your work. But is it just postponing or delaying, or does it have some more bigger consequences? This time of quarantine, when you have those things very easily available, you are more tend to go and procrastinate or waste your time in something else. So we are here with some tips and tricks that will help you to avoid the act of procrastination. Your phone is one of the most time consuming things that we have, and it can take up hours if we don't assemble our apps correctly or declutter it. So I had some tips and tricks which I used during my boards exam.
So here's a look at my phone. You can see that I have arranged apps in different folders of different types to keep my phone decluttered. So the first page has life related apps which I use daily, the second page has phone related apps, and the third page has entertainment apps.
The purpose of keeping those apps so away from the home page is that it would take me a bit more time, and in that time it adds up a restriction which would help me to make that momentarily decision of just not going. I use is an app called Focus. It helps me to lock my phone for a certain period of time, and in that certain period of time I can only unlock it for 30 seconds for 5 times or 6 times, and that too for emergency purposes. Second step being using the 3-second rule. Whenever you feel to procrastinate or you are thinking that you're in the moment that you would go on wasting your time, you just have to use this rule. Just count to 1, 2 and 3, and if you have moved away from your phone or the device or anything else that you were spending your time in, you have moved one step towards your goal. But if you're staying then remember that you have gone one step backwards from your goal, and you have made your journey more difficult. So this is one of the most efficient tips that I have got. I used it in my boards and it just works wonders for me. Till now you must have noticed that procrastination is all about your mind. It is getting that laziness out of your mind. So I would suggest you, if you make a to-do list, and if you're not making, make sure that you make, because that motivates you. You must write down only the specific task, because if you stuff all these things in your mind and if you stuff 100 tasks, it's not gonna be good for you, because your mind is gonna get tired thinking about each task. So make sure that you're only keeping those minimal and those most important thoughts in your mind, and those most important tasks are getting your appropriate attention. Second thing that you can use to boost up your mind is by having a morning ritual or something that keeps you disciplined, because that helps you to establish a feeling of self-achievement. Because you notice when your mind is in a very good place, it is happy, it is active, then you're not more tend to procrastinate. When it is empty, it is more open to negative thoughts and more open to procrastination. So make sure that you have your mind in the right space. Just try a meditation for 10 minutes daily and it will get into right space in a matter of weeks. For this video, I hope that it would have helped you to get that feeling of procrastination out of you and get motivated. And for such videos, just press the subscribe button to show your support and love. Press the like button also, share it with everyone so that we get more and more reach and everyone gets to be active and motivated. And comment if you have new video ideas or reviews for us or any suggestions. And guys, a very goodbye, be safe, be at your home. Until then, a goodbye from Vedant.